Lots of amazing contenders have walked through these kitchen doors. And tonight, 2 are getting a second chance. I think it's time for a rematch. And here to cheer on my competition tonight, talk show host Katie Lee and Daphne Oz.
Aww, he is scared. You should be. It's rematch tonight.
Let's do it. Who you got today?
First up, this barbecue master is back for blood. From St. Louis, Missouri, Chef Mike Johnson. Yeah! All right, Bobby, last time our next contender was here, your veggie burger won in a huge upset. Back for veggie vengeance, Daniel Ungerer.
Welcome back, guys. Well, you know how this works. Before you get to me, you must go through each other. I'm gonna give you guys 20 minutes to cook a single ingredient of my choice and make it the star of your dish. And that ingredient is hake. I know you guys have been waiting for a long time to get back into this arena, so I wish you both well.
My strategy is to elevate that fish with beautiful vegetables. So I'm making a pan-roasted hake, sautéed vegetables with a clam and lobster broth.
I would say my culinary point of view starts with barbecue, but I tend to cook things with the French technique. So I'm making seared hake with saffron butter and a fennel and orange salad.
Now it's time for the broth. In a pot, put the clams in there, put the prawns in there, lobster stock, and white wine for acidity.
2 minutes, you better get plating.
Time is running down. I start by ladling my saffron butter down on the plate, then my seared hake and fennel salad right on top.
25 seconds.
Where did all the time go?
25 seconds, and Daniel's just plating.
I put on my vegetables with a clam right on top.
Oh my goodness, he doesn't even have the hake on the plate.
My hands are shaking. I know I'm in trouble.
My hake is perfect. I'm looking over at Daniel. I'm thinking, I got this.
Oh my God, 10 seconds.
All of a sudden, I hear people counting down. I need to get my hake on the plate. And this beautiful seafood broth.
3, 2, 1. All right, chefs. So it is rematch night. Chef Mike, please tell us what you made.
I made a seared hake with saffron butter and fennel orange salad.
Mike, this is a gorgeous plate. The salad is light, it's fresh. Your fish, I love the sear on it. It's definitely the star of the plate, but mine was a little bit overdone towards the center, even in the thickest part of the fish. The hake was a little uneven in parts, but it has a great sear on it. The saffron butter has this nice, luscious quality to it. All right, Chef Daniel, what did you make?
I made a pan-roasted hake with vegetables sautéed with lobster and clam broth.
The fish itself is cooked perfectly for me. Vegetables are cooked beautifully. The tomatoes have a lot of juiciness to them. And I think the broth is the greatest thing on this plate, but there's almost none of it. My hake was cooked really nicely. Like Daphne, I really like the broth. I just wanted more of it. I think time got the best of you, but all in all, it's a good dish. And the chef who will be moving forward for a rematch with Bobby Flay is Chef Mike.
All right, Mike, welcome back. You feeling confident here? Or
I'm feeling pretty confident.
Yeah. What are we cooking tonight?
Last time I was really nervous because I've been watching Beat Bobby Flay for years, and he is a legend. My signature dish is, but tonight I know that nobody here can do barbecue better than me. Barbecue chicken.
Barbecue chicken.
You're each going to have 45 minutes to make the best barbecue chicken you have ever made. It's rematch time, and your 45 minutes starts right now.
Tonight I am making a classic St. Louis barbecue chicken with sweet barbecue sauce, honey butter, cornbread, and a cabbage and apple slaw.
So if I'm gonna beat Mike at his own game, I have to come at it from a completely different angle.
Bobby, are you gonna make a pomegranate molasses barbecue sauce?
Nope.
Are you going classic red barbecue?
Nope. I'm gonna make a Korean barbecue chicken.
Oh, is that a good idea?
I don't know. So I'm making Korean-inspired barbecue chicken with corn relish and pickled red onions.
My barbecue is all about the dry rub. Paprika, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and nunya.
What's nunya?
Nunya business.
So for the spice rub, I'm using coriander, cumin, New Mexico chili powder, ancho chili powder. I want the rub to feel like it's becoming part of the chicken.
While my chicken is grilling, I gotta get started on my cornbread. So I have flour, cornmeal, baking soda, and salt. And then I add the eggs, buttermilk, and sugar. Get my batter into the cast iron skillet and get it immediately in the oven.
Once my chicken is coated in the sticky and sweet gochujang sauce, I get it into my stovetop smoker with some applewood chips.
They both brought out these quick smokers. Bobby is using applewood chips, a great classic choice, really mild, light wood. Mike is using mesquite wood for his, which can have the potential to be overpowering in its smoke.
Because I'm doing it in such a short time, I'm trying to go with the most pungent wood that I can. Next, I'm gonna get started on my slaw. I'm shifting out in green cabbage, purple cabbage, and some red onions. And then I add the Granny Smith apples for a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of tartness. This is definitely not your backyard slaw, that's a little more elevated.
Mike, are you still making cornbread, or are you getting rid of it?
No,
It's already in the oven.
yeah, well, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
we didn't even see that happen.
Yeah, where were you guys?
They were over here bugging me. Next, I take some fresh corn off the cob. I saute that in a pan because instead of doing a typical cornbread or coleslaw, I'm making a corn relish with some scallions, piquillo peppers, lime juice. It's sweet and acidic. I think it's gonna complement the Korean flavors.
Bobby made corn relish. Mike's gonna kill this. You only have 4 minutes left.
So I take my cornbread out of the oven, and I take a big pat of butter, and I just rub it right over the top. And I drizzle honey all over it.
That cornbread with the honey, oh my gosh.
I love it.
So I pull my chicken out of my smoker, baste it with the sweet barbecue sauce, and then just kind of spoon the white sauce over the top.
I am so hungry.
Woo! Chicken looks fantastic. It's time to plate.
50 seconds.
You get a piece of the breast, the drumstick, and the thigh down. A little bit of barbecue sauce.
I've traveled the world competing in barbecue. There's no way Bobby's gonna beat me.
10, 9.
Some corn relish and some pickled red onions.
I smother my cornbread with a little more butter.
3, 2, 1.
Bobby, Mike, congratulations. You finished, and now we'd like to introduce you to the judges.
First up, food writer and author, Andrew Friedman, cookbook author, Lucinda Scala Quinn, and the chef and co-founder of Mighty Quins, Hugh Mangum.
Judges were jealous. Tonight's dish was barbecue chicken. Please try the first in front of you.
I really like this dish. The chicken itself is cooked perfectly. The skin is nice and crispy actually under the sauce. And I love the add of the cornbread. I'm a cornbread fanatic.
So for me, this is really a central casting barbecue plate. My chicken's cooked perfectly. The acidity from the white sauce is combining super nice with the salty of the barbecue. So as a whole, you know, it's kind of barbecue heaven. But for me, I want to have a little bit more swagger on that sauce. I want a little more point of view.
For me, although I thought the meat itself was cooked really well, the flavor, the barbecue flavor didn't work for me. It tasted almost burnt, but I love slaw and I love the addition of the tart green apple in it. So the plate overall, I thought harmonized really well.
All right, judges, please switch your plates.
This plate is visually beautiful. The colors are nice. The chicken, when I first cut into it, it looked like it might be a little dry, but it didn't taste that way. And I love the pickled onions. The flaw for me is the sauce is a little thick, a little sticky, so I'm not a fan of the sauce.
The modulation of heat here in chilies, both dry and fresh, is so expert. The coolness of the corn salad balances that, and I actually really like the sauce. To me, this has a real point of view. It's got its own personality, and I like that.
First of all, I love the chicken here. I thought there was penetration of flavor. You know, it's not classic barbecue to me. But I just think, man, the way the whole thing hung together was just perfect to me.
Judges, the time has come to vote.
This is a rematch, and I took a risk. I think Mike's is gonna be very tough to beat.
And the winner is Chef Flay.